soups were different. So, you know, there was medicinal kind of soups. Like if you weren't feeling really well, your mom would probably, or your grandmother would make a soup that had a special vegetable that was brewed a long time. Sometimes soups were cooked over a long period of time, and those were supposed to, the term is yao yik, which means, you know, it has goodness for you. And you might not like it, but you were supposed to drink it. And so, and then there was medicinal, so the medicinal ones, and then there was, you know, the really fun ones when we went out special. There would be shark fin soup and bird's nest soup. And lots of kids didn't like the bird's nest soup because it had a kind of a funny, it was a kind of a funny texture. The shark fin soup is like, almost like noodles, little slippery little noodles that you, I liked that. But I liked all the soups.